ọwọ́ pálábá rẹ̀ ti ṣẹ́gi o ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ wo ọ̀gbẹ́ni tó sojú wòkòwòkò yìí wọ́n blọ̀ ojú rẹ̀ ní èmi ọmọdé tán ṣe blọ̀ ojú ẹ̀ ó yẹ kí wọ́n gbójú ẹ̀ jáde sí gbòòrò ayé ni kí gbogbo ayé wulẹ̀ rí i torí iṣẹ́ burúkú tí ọ̀gbẹ́ni ń dánwò nípínlẹ̀ Rivers ní Port Harcourt gangan ló ti ṣe àwọn àṣemáṣe yìí o òwò tẹ́lẹ̀ ń ṣe ń titi ẹ̀ ni pé a lọ dá àwọn ọlọ́kọ̀ dúró bíi kó lọ sí bus station níbi tó àwọn ọkọ̀ kórópè àwọn bus kékeré yẹn ó máa lọ sí gáràjì wọn wípé òun fẹ́ lọ kó nǹkan kan nínú igbó kán wá tẹ̀lé òun lọ síbẹ̀ a ti book appointment pẹ̀lú wọn a ti gba nọ́mbà driver wa máa sọ ọjọ́ tó máa ráàyè fún ọjọ́ tó máa jọ mú báyìí tó máa ṣe ń dénú igbó báyìí yóò fọ́gi mọ́ driver látẹ̀yìn tó bá ti fọ́gi mọ́ driver lórí báyìí driver yẹn máa kú bóyá ó kú o bí ò kú o òun kàn ṣáà gba kíì mọ́tò lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ gba fóònù lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ gbé mọ́tò yẹn lọ́n tiẹ̀ nìyẹn á lọ tà á kò kí ń ṣègbà kínní kò kí ń ṣègbà kejì kò kí ń ṣègbà kẹta tó ti ń ṣerú nǹkan báyẹn lélẹ́yìí ẹlẹ́kẹrin lélẹ́yìí tó ṣe tọwọ́ pálábá rẹ̀ ṣẹ́gi kódà kò wá kí ń ṣe owó kan tó nítumọ̀ ló tún wá ń ta àwọn mọ́tò yẹn nínú àwọn owó tó lọ ń ta mọ́tò báyìí odidi mọ́tò fa márúwá gan-an ó wọ́n ju mọ́tò yìí lọ ó ta mọ́tò àkọ́kọ́ ní 2.4 million ó ta mọ́tò kan ní 1.4 million àwọn tó ń ra mọ́tò yẹn lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ gan-an ó yẹ kí wọ́n lọ gbé wọn torí ọjà ìfà ni mọ́tò tó ń tà ní bíi 8, 10, 12 million tó bá lọ ń tà 1.4 million 2.4 million ṣé ẹ rí i pé ó lè gbà náà làwọn tí ń rarú mọ́tò báwọn lọ́wọ́ ọrú ọ̀gbẹ́ni báyìí ẹ wò ó ọwọ́ pálábá rẹ̀ ti ṣẹ́gi o Rivers State Police Command ìyún lábẹ́ ìṣàkóso Commissioner of Police Olúṣẹ́gun Adépọ̀jù wọ́n ní bàbá yìí ó ṣe gudugudu méje yàyà mẹ́fà ó gbá ọ̀gbẹ́ni ọ̀hún mú màá yí kíní yẹn sókè nísìn tẹ́ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ kẹwàá gbọ́ wòròwòrò tí ń jábọ́ tí ń rébọ́ lẹ́nu ọ̀gbẹ́ni tó sojú wòkòwòkò yìí apànìyàn lélẹ́yìí apànìyàn ó ní pé òun máa tàn wọ́n wọnú gbó lọ tóun bá ti dénú gbó yẹn tán pé òun máa fọ́ igi mọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́ kó má bàa lè retaliate kó má bàa lè bóun jà pé òun ní intention láti pa wọ́n òun kàn ṣáà ní intention láti dá wọn lápá dá wọn lẹ́sẹ̀ ni kó sọ wọ́n da láàbò ara kó sì gbé mọ́tò lọ́dọ̀ wọn kó sì gbé lọ gbogbo bó ṣe máa ń ṣe dọ́kúmẹ́ǹtì mọ́tò yẹn tá a lọ ṣe change of ownership tó máa present ẹ̀ fáwọn ẹlòmíì tó lọ sọ́dọ̀ agbẹjọ́rò gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá lẹ́ẹ̀ láǹfààní láti gbọ́nu fọ́nrán ilé tí mo mú wáyé ẹ bá mi like fídíò kẹ́ máa comment kẹ́sì máa bá mi pín káàkiri kó kálé kókókó pàápàá jùlọ àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ awakọ̀ àwọn tí ń ṣe Uber kó má lọ bọ́ sọ́wọ́ wọ́n ní ẹ̀kọ́ láti kọ́ lára ọ̀gbẹ́ni yìí o èèyàn burúkú pọ̀ nù ayé o kọ́lọ́ má jẹ́ ká ṣe kò ń gẹ wọn lágbára ọlọ́ọ̀bá Èdùmàrè àtẹ̀mí àtẹ̀yìn àní ṣe kò ń gẹ níbi nínú ayé ẹ jẹ́ yín kíní sókè kẹfà balẹ̀ wá gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ ẹ má yí kó mẹ́ o Àdàbà tẹlifíṣàn náà lẹ́wà mọ̀ ń bọ̀ náà.
My name is Kelechi Oforom. I'm from Rivers State, Ikore Ubima, Boba. My age, I was born in 1994. I'm 31 years old. First of all, last year, October, I went to Harcourt. I saw bus driver, keke driver. So we negotiate together about work. So after then, we exchange number. When we exchange the number, then the day we wanted to go the work, I told him that it's a surveillance work we are going. So on the process, so he told me that we will move by next tomorrow. Being that particular day was on Wednesday, we move. So when we reached there, then we started doing work like we are doing work. Later on, then I use the stick that is there. I knocking on his hand.
What kind of work were you doing?
Okay, I was a mechanic and driver.
What work did you ask him to come and join you to do?
Surveyor work. Surveillance.
Okay.
Yes. So when we went there, so I knocking the stick on his hand so that he will not much attack me. So when he collected the other stick to knock me, then I collected another one and knock him. That is how I took the vehicle and the key. I went away. I did not need the whereabouts again. The second time, um, January. So when I did on January, January time, I did it. So
This one is a different person too.
yes.
Okay.
So on January, okay, I did it on December, close to 18th of December, close to the 20th. So when I did it on that 2025, so I negotiate with the bus driver, this keke driver. So we negotiate together. We negotiate together that we are going walk. So fortunate, we went to the place, we bought the pillar, we went to the place, and that particular vehicle is the one that I saw to this man. This person is the one that did the agent. And first of all, I went to Anambra to do the plate number and the papers. Then I looked at I can be able to use that photocopy to do it the original one at Anambra at Newi. So when I did it, then I went to one lawyer to do agreement of changing of ownership, like agreement. When the man printed for me and signed, then I went out and signed it by myself, and I bring it to this Mr. Oyemechi. So I gave him that this is the document, and when they see the document, they think maybe is the person that the owner of the vehicle. That is why he put himself to buy this man put himself to buy the vehicle. So on the second one, I did not know that the people that are doing those things that they already dead. Because what I need is that to knock it down and get my opportunity to take the key away. Then on the third time, the one that okay, the second time after that first one, okay, the third one I did. The same thing that I still did. Then the man, when I knocking this thing and use a knife cutler that he using to cut, because he helped me to cut. Then when he use the cutler,
Cut what? What is he assisting you to
okay,
cut?
stick.
Okay.
Stick. So when
Stick what? In the forest or where?
so in the normal bush at the nearby road.
Okay.
So when he's cutting the stick to for me, then I use the stick and knocking for his hand. And when he wanted to cut me the knife fell away. Then the position I knife the stick, I don't know, is on his head. It's later that when I took the key and run away. So fortunate, I sold the vehicle to Alhaji. This particular one I'm talking for Alhaji at Obrize. So the third one, this third one that I still did, I mean the fourth one that I did. Because the first one they recovered the vehicle. So this fourth one that I did is the same thing I did, but later when they discover through the number that I used to call the mom, then the person then track is one officer. He said that he knows the person that had this number. That is then arrested me. Then when they arrested me and then tell me that where is the person that I took to work, I tell them, say, okay, look at the place the thing happened. I didn't carry for mind that fortunate the man is already dead. So all my life and all my time and all my condition, I did not know that those things maybe they did not survive. I think maybe later they will run themselves out of the place. But that vehicle is already sold by Alhaji at Oretu. So the two vehicles is at Alhaji's hand. That is her.
Where did you used to pick this bus driver to contact them for this job?
Okay, sometimes I can be able to see them at Rukbako or maybe Choba.
Is it in park or along the road?
Not in park, along the road.
Good. Then secondly, again, how much do you use to sell these vehicles?
Okay. This first one, because the other one they recovered the vehicle. This second one, I sold it 2.4 million naira. Then the man that come the other day that said that I break him head to took him vehicle, I already begged him to forgive me. Say you need him vehicle, so you already forgive me. That is the only thing that.
How much did you sell that vehicle?
1.4.
1.4.
Yes.
So you have intention to kill them and sell their vehicles?
No, I did not know that. All the thing I did that is already, maybe I knocked them in the place that they can't survive. I did not know. That is not my attention.
So what was your intention of taking their vehicles?
My attention
You
to
take them,
them.
you lure them to the bush, and you now snatch the vehicle for them. So what was your intention in doing that?
My intentionally is that let me just mark him so that he can't be able to fight me down when I will took the key and take the vehicle away.
And you felt they will not look for you?
Yes. That is, I did not plan that I wanted to kill them.
So now this man that you killed now and dumped him on the road now, how do you feel?
I feel bad.
So what have you been doing with the money? Out of the money they pay, what have you been doing? And his phone, how come? Where is his phone? You sold his phone too. How much did you sell the phone?
I sold the phone for 45,000. The phone is already old.
So now, how do you feel?
I feel bad.
So what would you tell members of the public that had this kind of mindset, what you're doing? What would you tell them?
I will tell them, let them forgive me. Even if I lie to them, but let them forgive me. It's a mistake to my life.
Do you have a family?
Yes.
A wife and children?
Yes.
So if your children and your family, they see you in these states, what will you tell them?
ẹ tún káàbọ̀ padà yẹ̀yàn mi bò lẹ́ ṣe rí sí abẹ́rẹ́ ìpínlẹ̀ tún skin gbà kan jìkún eléyìí tún kọjá abẹ́ o ẹ wo ọ̀daràn ọ̀gbẹ́ni ẹ wo gbowóró tí ń sọ lẹ́nu nítorí ọlọ́run ẹ wo bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń pa àwọn èèyàn tí ń dá wọn lápá dá wọn lẹ́sẹ̀ lọ ọlọ́pàá yẹn tún wá ń bèèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé kí ni èròǹgbà ẹ tó fi ń ṣerú iṣẹ́ báyìí ṣó wulẹ̀ fẹ́ pa wọ́n ni ó lóun ò fẹ́ pa wọ́n òun kàn ṣáà fẹ́ fọ́gi mọ́ wọn lápá ni kóun kan wọn lápá kóun kan wọn lẹ́sẹ̀ eléyìí ní agbára o bó lẹ ṣe rí sí ẹ yẹ darapọ̀ ní abala rẹ̀ wúsí kẹ́ ẹ bá mi comment kẹ́ ẹ máa like bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni kẹ́ ẹ bá mi pín fọ́nrán ìkáàkiri lógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀n ẹ máa bó sí àṣìá ẹ máa bó kàràkàrà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni kẹ́ ẹ bá yẹn bó káàkiri tààràtààrà kó lè tẹ̀ kan ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn lára àwọn anẹ́rì jù báyìí lọ lórí ilé tí a mú wá fún yín ní sáà yìí bó bá tún ṣe ń lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá náà lẹ́ẹ̀ láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ lórí ìkànnì àdàbà tẹlifíṣàn àdàbà ọ̀nà ní à ń sùngbẹ́ iná ń jó ẹ̀yẹ́lé gbéra ńlẹ̀ àdàbà a tún ti fò fẹ̀rẹ̀ awọ̀lú sọ̀lúdẹ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀sẹ̀.
agbe ní gbére pàdé olókun àdùkò ní gbére pàdé ọlọ́sà òdìdẹrẹ́ ní gbére pàdé wọn lóde ìwò fún ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí nǹkan rẹ̀ ò ṣe déédéé ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí ṣàyàwó rẹ̀ ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ gbọ́ jìgìjìgì lára lójú lọ mú kára rẹ̀ ó tó le ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ bíbí ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tó dáa láyé pẹ̀lú aya rẹ̀ tí ìfàyàlòyà tí ó fi di nǹkan tó dáa ìwọ tásítọ̀ rẹ̀ ń sàn tí ò kí tó láti dọmọ ìwọ ọkùnrin tára rẹ̀ ò le ìwọ ọkùnrin ṣẹ̀ẹ̀kan dìde ìwọ ọkùnrin tátàn rẹ̀ ò dúró déédéé ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó ọgbọ́ capable herbal energy capsule ló nílò fún gbogbo àìṣedéédé ara rẹ̀ kó o lè jẹ́rìí sọmọ bíbí àti nǹkan tó dáa láti ṣe.